Hello guys, today we make peach wine. Very easy recipe. I will use also a specialist for fruit wine instead of grape wine. Let's see if it works properly. So half teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of yeast for wine. Remember, no bread yeast. In the fermenter I put 4 liters of water and 1 kilogram of sugar. If you don't like white sugar, you can use brown sugar or you can use honey, always 1 kilogram. 3 kilogram of peach and the juice of 1 lemon. But some people ask me what I can do after that I use the fruit for the fermentation. Can I use for other recipe? Usually the taste after the fermentation is not so spectacular, so this is why we give to the pig or the animal that we have. So today we do the opposite. We will do the peach jam, and with the juice from the peach we will do the wine. So now I will cut the peach, put in the pot, put the pot on the stove. When the peach release the juice, I will collect it and put inside the fermenter. With the yeast I will start the fermentation, and I will go on with the peach to make the peach jam. Very easy. So if you use peach like this one that are a little bit hairy, you can remove the skin. If you use this kind of peach, sorry I don't know the name in English, you can use also the skin. The skin will give also a little bit of color to your wine. Turn on the stove, remember to stir a little bit. Now I will collect the juice, I will filter it and put directly in the fermenter, little by little. In this way will be not hot anymore. Plus I will add the pit or the stone of the peach, because inside there is the tannins, and also you can taste a little bit of almonds, so will give to your wine a spectacular taste. Some people will complain that there is poison, but like I explained the peach jam, don't worry. With the high temperature and a small quantity of poison, you will be safe, don't worry. We mix very well, and before adding the yeast, we check the original gravity. Original gravity 1076. When the fermentation starts, I will update you. Ta-da! And after only 3 hours, the fermentation already started. I was tasting my peach jam, really spectacular. I was hearing the sound in the background. So the fermentation starts after only 3 hours. Now it's very slow. There is a little bit of foam on the top. You can see the bubbles are very, very slow. But tomorrow, after the 24 hours, I will update you and you will see that the fermentation will be very, very active and the foam will be a lot. See you tomorrow. From the airlock and from the foam on the top, the fermentation is very active after 24 hours. Final gravity 982, so there is no sugar anymore inside our wine. All the sugar now is alcohol. After 21 days in the fermenter, our wine is ready. Because I want it very sparkling, I will add the sugar inside the bottles. The bottles are 1 liter, so each bottle I will put 10 grams of sugar. Because it's very easy, I will use the sugar bag for the coffee. I check in one bag we have 5 grams, so I will use 2 bags each bottle. Now I will put the wine in the bottles, and after I will tell you the final alcohol content of our wine. With this recipe you can make 4.5 liters of wine. There is a little bit more inside the fermenter. I don't put the wine like this in the bottles because it's full of pieces, it's not nice to see. But you can store in a glass jar, filter it a little bit, without sugar. You put in the fridge. When you are cooking, make risotto or make ragu or some stew, you can use it for cooking. Because when it will be cold, all these things will fall on the bottom of the jar. Now, if you want a really sparkling wine, you should wait at least 2 weeks. 2 months will be better, but up to you. I tell you the alcohol content. At the moment is 12.5. Why? If you remember, the original gravity was 1076, the final gravity 982, the difference is 94. We divide for the coefficient, that is 7.5, and we get 12.5% of alcohol content at the moment. But because we add the sugar in the bottles, we can add 0.5, so the final alcohol content will be 13%. A very sparkling dry wine, perfect for the summer or to make some cocktail like the Aperol Spritz. So see you in 2 weeks to have the final tasting. Bye bye. Spectacular. Only when I put the only one thing, when I put the wine in the bottle, I told you that probably it was a dry wine. It's between dry and sweet wine. We can say kind of Moscato wine, but not sparkling. And after the end you can taste a little bit of peach taste. But very, very refreshing, very, very spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you try to make it, please let me know down in the comment if your wine is sparkling or not. Because now I change also the yeast that I was using usually. This is yeast for fruit wine, not for sparkling wine. So to understand if the problem is the yeast or is the peach, because If you follow my channel, you know that I like sparkling wine and very sparkling beer. Bye bye!